Hello and welcome guys. Today we are going to discuss how to create a login form in Bootstrap framework, and we will discuss some Bootstrap classes like how input field, how to create an input field in Bootstrap, and we will use a form group and form control class, and there are how to create a button in Bootstrap. We will use button classes and how to provide a background to this card, and we will also discuss some Bootstrap properties and CSS properties. And if you want the source code of this project, then you can visit on our website. You can click. Now you can access the my web blog link by calling the talk to developers.blogspot.com in your web browser, and this is my blog. You can access it, and you can visit on the tag option, and here the source code option. You will get the all source code of my previous videos and upcoming videos. Now this blog is voice recognized blog. Here you can see that red symbol which are representing the microphones. Now this you can open any menus: home menu, mega menu, offer for you, tutorials, CSS buttons, and you can open any blog post by calling the title of this page like login form in Bootstrap. Guys, you can see that the web page are loading and the login form are opened with the voice recognition. Now you can just copy the source code and paste in your code editor, and you will get the output like this. Now we are going to start the designing of this page without wasting a much more time in theoretical discussion. So we will visit on our Sublime text editor and open new file and save it by save as with the name of login form.html. We will save it in the small letters, login form.html. You can save it by any name, but add the extension .html. We will create the HTML page calling the .html extension. We will write some basic HTML code, that is HTML. Now we will add the title Dream Developers. You can add any kind of titles which you want. Dream Developer login form. Now we will add the we will add the bootstrap. To add the bootstrap, we will use we have two options. We can use the CDN link of the bootstrap, which is in content delivery network. If you does not aware about the content delivery network CDN link about that, then you can comment in the comment box. I will make a video on that, and I will explain full in the detail about the CDN. But apart from this, I am using the bootstrap CDN link to link the bootstrap framework. But you have one another option. You can download the source code of the bootstrap from the bootstrap website by searching bootstrap in your search engine. This is the home page of the bootstrap. You can click on this to access this. We will get started. If you want to download the bootstrap framework to use the offline, you can visit on the download option, or yeah, you can download from here. And yeah guys, you can download from the here. But now guys, I am going to use a bootstrap CDN link. Why I am going to using a bootstrap CDN link? Because when we will host our website, then we need required a network to access the web page. Same thing, if we will use the bootstrap CDN link, then we also required internet to access our local server, to access the bootstrap packages in our local server. Okay, we will copy it and we will paste it in under the title tag, and we will use this jQuery and JS CDN link. We will copy from the here and paste it under the body tag. Okay guys, now we will use some required meta tag, that is okay guys, need to paste it before the CDN link of CSS, bootstrap CSS. Okay guys, our bootstrap framework are ready to use. Now we will start to design the web page. First we will take a div tag. We will give the class container. Here we will use the form tag to create the form. It's not required for us. Form. Now first we need a email and password, then we will create a label. Okay guys, label, this is not required for us. Now that is label, and we need one more label to create a password. Okay, done. And we need two input field. Okay guys, first off we will check copy file path, paste it. Now we will use input, type is equal to text, name is email. Same thing we will use for the password. Sorry guys. You type here password to make like this. Sorry. Guys, we need to off the autocomplete off. Now it's better. Now we need to create the login button. We will use a button tag. Type is equal to submit. We will name the button is login. Okay, it's done. Now we need to require the design look like this, so we will use some bootstrap classes. First we will use a form group class, form group, and here we will use class form control. Now awesome. Similarly we will use these classes in for a password label, and this class for a input field of password. It's awesome guys. Now we need to give a some bootstrap style for a button, so we will use the class button. Here we had used button outline, light, and button block. Sorry guys, actually you can see that light is for a white color, so we can, and our background is also white. That's why we are not able to look this uh, primary. Now you can see it. Our bootstrap form is done. We need some margin between the input field of email and password, so we will use the tag and margin from top to 3. 3 is much more. 2. That's awesome. Now, we required some margin between password input field and login, so we will use margin empty4 here. Empty 4. I think 4 will be best. Now we need to bring this block in the center of the page, so we will use some style. First we need to create some border, so we will use the card option. We will card class. So 1 minute, I will show you. We will use this class card. Yes. It's good. We will use the boot 30. I think it's perfect. Yeah, perfect. 30 is perfect. Now we will use some. Now I will create this login form header style. So we will use h1 tag login form. Now here required class text. We will use the text center class to bring the login form between the center. So we'll use text center. That's perfect. We need some margin from here and here. Then we will use this option class card body. We will use this tag before the form tag, and we will close both div. First one is and second one is. One more div are required to close. It's perfect. Now we will use this blue color as a background by using the class bg primary. Perfect. Now we will change the loss of light ligst to make in white color. Now it's perfect. Now we need to make a login form in white color, so we will use the class called text light. Perfect. Now we need this block in the center, so we will use the some css property by okay, use the login form. Okay, now we will create a style by using the style attribute. CSS, we need to create a CSS style. We used a style tag under the header tag, and we will use the dot to call this class and provide the attribute. So paste it. Now we will add a height of the class, that is 100 vh. 100 vh, it means size of the screen. Okay guys, now we will use display tag flex tick and justifier content center. Perfect guys. Now we need to bring the center of the vertically, so we will use the align items center. Perfect guys, this is now perfect. We need some margin from the top, so we will use the we need some height, so we will use height attributes, or 25 rem is perfect I think. Perfect. Okay guys, we will use here line, so we will use hr tag to create the line. This is not visible because of the predefined color is black, so we will change the background color of the line. So we will use the class bg light IGH. Perfect. Oh sorry, no, it's perfect. Now we need some margin from the top between the login form and the border, so we will use the padding pt3. I think it's perfect. Yeah, it's perfect. And we need to change the color of email and password text, so we will use the class, we will change the class of the card body text flat. It's perfect. Now you can see smaller size and this is a bigger size, so we will use the one css bootstrap property, that is button lg. Sorry guys, that's perfect. Now you can see that both are the similar. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you had enjoyed, then like and subscribe and share with your friends. If you want the source code, then visit on our blog and use and enjoy it. Thank you so much guys. Next time on which topic you want the video, comment in the comment box and I will make sure, and I will as soon as possible create the video on your query. Thank you so much guys.